Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are going to start again with the chapter 9, our body. And today we'll cover the topic respiratory system, circulatory system and nervous system. Now we have the topic respiratory system. Student, here we are having the diagram of it. Respiratory system helps us in breathing. It means oxygen that we take in and the carbon dioxide that we give out while breathing is done with the help of respiratory system. The air enters our body through nose. Here we have the nose. From here the air enters into the nose. This is a windpipe. As we have food pipe in digestive system, similarly we have windpipe in the respiratory system. From windpipe it goes to the lungs. And the main function of this system is to take oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Nose, windpipe and lungs are the main organs of respiratory system. Next we have is circulatory system. The heart, blood vessels and blood. So here we have the heart and these nerves that we can see very clearly, these are the blood vessels. Okay. So circulatory system carries blood to different parts of our body. We know that we have blood in our body everywhere. This blood is carried through circulatory system. Blood also carries oxygen and digested food to different parts of our body. For digested food, I told you in the previous class that small intestine. In the small intestine, the food is divided into two parts, which is useful and which is not useful. Useful food is sent to our body with the help of blood and the unwanted food is given by anus. Similarly, here it is written that blood also carries oxygen which we breathe and digested food to different parts of the body. Next we have is nervous system, the brain, spinal cord and nerves. Brain, spinal cord and nerves form our nervous system. Our nervous system controls all actions like reading, writing, playing, crying, laughing, thinking and learning. Our brain is protected by the skull. So here, if you see the skeletal system, we have the skull over here and the skull protects the brain. In the vertebral column means the backbone. In the backbone we are having the spinal cord and the nerves are present all over the body. Okay students? Now all the activities, whether it is laughing, crying, singing, dancing, whatever activities that we are doing, it is done with the help of the nervous system. Our brain is protected by the skull. Next we have excretory system. This system helps to remove the waste material. Waste materials means which is not required by our body. वो चीज़ जो हमारी body के लिए required नहीं है, that is removed by the excretory system. Waste materials like urine and the sweat produced in our body are removed through excretory system. Kidneys, lungs and skin form the excretory system. This structure we are calling as kidney and this full diagram is of excretory system. Last we have reproductive system. The students, if you remember, we had done the reproduction in living and non-living chapter. What is reproduction? Giving birth to young ones. So this system, that is reproductive system, help to produce young ones. The organs of reproductive system help to produce young ones. That's all for this chapter. Thank you.